Hello my dear friends. In this video I will show you two natural remedies for dry cough and dry sore throat. They are yellow hollyhock's flowers and jujube tea and starch. If you are suffering from a dry cough and sore throat, you should see a doctor to find out the cause and receive proper treatment. This natural remedy is not a replacement for a medical consultation or prescribed medications. However, it can be used as a supportive natural remedy to help relieve your symptoms. If you have a chronic disease or take medication, consult your doctor before using these remedies. They are only for dry cough and dry sore throat. If your cough produces phlegm, or if you have mucus in your throat, do not use them because it may make the symptoms worse. If you have weak digestion or severe bloating, and your symptoms get worse, stop using these remedies. We start with yellow hollyhock's flowers and jujube tea. This tea is not recommended for people with gallstones or kidney stones. Hollyhocks contains compounds called mucilage. It forms a mild gel-like layer. When brewed in hot water, this layer protects the throat naturally. It reduces irritation and throat pain, softens and moistens the throat. It helps calm dry, irritating coughs, and also helps repair irritated throat tissue. Hollyhocks is not recommended for people taking blood thinners and those with serious heart problems. Jujube contains antioxidants, polysaccharides, and anti-inflammatory compounds. These help reduce throat inflammation and protect the throat. Jujube also soothes and softens the throat. It helps reduce dryness and burning. It calms dry coughs and heals irritated throat tissue. The amounts inside the containers are just for showing the ingredients. You should only use the smaller amount that I add to the teapot. Let's make the tea. Add 2 full hollyhock's flowers and 1 jujube into a teapot or French press. If the jujube is small, use 2 or 3. Now we need boiling water. Add 1 cup of hot water. Let it steep for 20 minutes. The tea is ready. You can add honey to it if you want. Drink this tea once or twice a day. You can use it for up to 2 weeks. Stop using if you feel nausea or itching. The second remedy is starch. The best types are corn, wheat, or potato starch. Starch is not recommended for people with diabetes, obesity, digestive problems, constipation, or kidney stones. When starch is mixed with hot water, It becomes gel-like and smooth. This layer coats the dry throat, softens and moistens the throat. It reduces cough nerve irritation and calms dry coughs, and reduces scratchy and burning sensations. Add 3 dessert spoons of starch into a cup. Now add 6 dessert spoons of cold water and stir until fully dissolved. Then slowly add hot water. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then drink. You can add honey to it if you want. Use this treatment once or twice a day for up to 1 week. For faster recovery, avoid cold air, especially on your head and chest. Avoid fried, fatty, or cold foods. And avoid ice-cold drinks. Please write your health concerns in the comments. Future videos will be made about them. Remember, these remedies will help improve your condition, but true healing comes from the soul. To live a healthier life, try adding these activities to your daily routine.